Bob's Discount Furniture knows that transparency is the mother of integrity.
If you live in Essex, you probably aren't too concerned about crime. But over the past few months, a rash of robberies have been reported in the area.
In June and July, we had two separate instances of crimes of opportunity in the town.
For Essex, back-to-back events are unusual. Phil Miller is the Essex 1st Selectman and also serves as the town's chief of police. He says in June, several unlocked parked cars on North Main Street and River Road had items stolen from them. And then, just a few weeks later, two homes in the west end of town were broken into and robbed.
It was a cluster of enough activity that it certainly sort of garnered people's attention.
According to Miller, the police believe the crimes are being committed by young people trying to get money to buy drugs.
Typically, with a lot of these crimes of opportunity, it's thought that it's typically people trying to get goods that they can exchange for money or for dope, unfortunately.
Two of the recent crimes were committed here in Ivoryton in this neighborhood earlier this month. And while residents here say they still feel safe, news of the recent break-ins has them on alert.
It's uncomforting. I usually leave my car with my windows open and my doors unlocked, so I don't usually have to worry about anybody doing anything.
I guess things can happen anywhere. I'm originally from New York, so I tend to keep my doors locked.
Miller says that even though the recent uptick in robberies is upsetting, on the whole, the town's crime rate is at the lowest it has been this century.
We don't want people fearful and reacting based on fear. Basically, if people keep their wits about them and take some very simple steps to keep their neighborhood safe, we think that would be our best opportunity, and we're utilizing our best strength.
Some steps town officials suggest you can take are to secure your home with quality locks on doors and windows. Lock your vehicles even when they are parked in your driveway. Make sure your home does not appear unoccupied when you're away. Insure your possessions and keep valuables in a safe deposit box. And always be attentive to your surroundings. At this time, police have yet to have made any arrests. They are following several leads. Anyone with information is asked to contact the Essex Police Department at 860-767-1054. In Essex, Danica Pesarep, localonlinenews.tv.
We've all seen it. The budget acts falls, and the arts programs in our schools are one of the first things to go.
That's why my Bob's Discount Furniture Outreach has created my Celebrate the Arts contest.
Your K-12 school could win a $5,000 grant for cultural arts programs.
Just go online to mybobs.com to put your school in the running for the $5,000 grant and for complete contest rules.
The Celebrate the Arts contest from Bob's Discount Furniture Outreach, helping to make our community a better place.